for teleportation. Here we go. You made it!
That's not pretty at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
We started causing generator. It's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Some kind of new jump point. It's going back to the dawn of time. Why?
To erase the error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Wait, no, you know according to all that whatever it is until we get there. We can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these terrorists onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. We broken the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that black job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What?
There's King. Where's this King?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. I got this.
We're all toast.
First it was King, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terry.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax.
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Oh, crap. That's what you think? The Big Bang!
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
One way.
There it is!
I'm gonna find
We
it.
got the generator!
One way.
Oh yeah? We'll see about that. Rocket, get home!
I'm gonna see it.
Instruction matrix!
I'm gonna meet ya.
I will destroy you.
Yeah, we do that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay. Let me try. No, give me gas. We're here. It's about time. Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Novelty, what is that last? We haven't contained, but not for long. Yeah, well, nobody knows. Look at
Locking coordinates to EPCOT.
It's EPCOT.
Remind me to raise our rate.
I am
I'm gonna lose ya. I'm gonna give you the slip. A slip or a hip or another. I'm gonna lose ya. I'm gonna trick ya. I'll trick ya.
Thanks, Terry.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guys.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Where's that case?